So we got our first part open here. I'm going to take you through how to do a setup. You can do this every single time you start a cam strategy. So we're in the manufacturer area here. We're going to come over here and make sure it's on set for milling. And we're going to hit setup. Now what you're going to get is this ghosty yellow box with a whole bunch of dots all over your project, and you're going to get this triad here, this X, Y, and Z marker. This dialog box pops up, and this is how we're going to tell the machine where we want our PRZ or part reference 0 to be. So don't worry about machine. Make sure it's set for milling. Orientation. You can change this so that you can choose different axes. So if I wanted the Z axis to be here, I can simply rotate that around. That's how you would do that. So usually what happens is it starts and you get some random location for this thing. This is how you would go and fix that. So if it's not in the lower left top corner there, fix that right here. And again, this is different for everybody, so you just got to go play with it. If it accidentally puts it somewhere where usually it's in the middle where you don't want it, that's down here, that's called box point. So make sure check on the box point here, and you want to move that over to the corner. All right, that's it for your setup. Your stock, the actual piece of material, it probably will look a little bit bigger. Well, I've somehow got mine so that it doesn't ever make it bigger. It usually will be a little bit bigger, and that's to allow you a chance to clean it up and make it flat and square and true and all that good stuff. Make sure your either fixed or relative size box and no additional stock is checked. No additional stock. Okay, there you go. You're all done with your setup.